Well, boys, we are gonna try to catch a bass, little urban bass on a rat lure. I've never tried this before, so let's pop her open. That gives you an extra tail too, look at that. So this is today's fishing mission, to catch a bass, an urban bass in Knoxville on a rat. So let's go ahead and rig this sucker up. This thing looks crazy. Look at that. Alrighty, let's give her a chuck. I'm gonna put her along this bank right here. Do you see that? That looks so good. Wow, I did not expect it to look that good, honestly. Oh, if a bass comes up and hit this, it's gonna be amazing. That looks just like a rat swimming in the water. I might walk it along this bank. Today, we are in Knoxville. We are on day one of this fishing trip, this fishing mission. And I decided, since this is the halfway point for our trip, we might as well go ahead and stop and see if we can get any urban catches. I've actually never fished in urban ponds or really anything urban. But today, I'm gonna be casting this rat lure the whole time, trying to catch a bass on it. All the spots that we're gonna try today, I found on Google Maps, so hopefully they do us pretty good. Man, I'm gonna have to get a video of this thing in the water. It looks so good. I don't know how well the GoPro's picking it up right now, but I might have to get a top-down view of this thing. You just get a fish? Oh my God, no way. Our first urban bass of the trip. And this thing is a toad. Let's go. Oh no! No! No!
Bro, dude, that thing was massive.
That was such a toad. Oh my God. I threw my rod down and everything. Dude, I was about to run back to the car and get my scale.
That thing was big.
That thing was huge. Well, at least we know there are fish in here.
Yeah.
Well, hey, this is what I like to call Logan steals your spot.
You all saw it?
Everyone saw it, and that thing was a toad, so that was such a good fish. That was a good one. I'd say that was your best smallmouth or largemouth right there. He came off right as you were picking it up. I'm gonna try this wall right here. Can we get some F's in the chat, please, for that fish? Oh, dude, we gotta work that bank. Look how nice that looks. I say we just work our way, just keep walking along, yeah, and just do a circle. I'm gonna give this side one more try. See, I figured there'd be a fish sitting right here on the bend. That would have been your new profile picture right there. Gotta put that on the Fishbrain, baby. I'm gonna keep working this bank, but really I think the best spot is gonna be over here next to these trees. I mean, like I said, the whole point of this trip is to get our personal best. Yeah, this little corner looks nice. Just a cat. Oh, I thought my lure just came off. Awesome, that's how you break it. Come on, bass, you know you wanna come up and hit this. I think I'm actually gonna try to walk this lure up that wall. And then if I don't get anything, I'll start casting him again. No way, no way he just caught another one. As soon as I was walking over here to walk it up this wall, boys, our first official fish of the day. Let's take a look at it. Nice little urban largie.
My hand.
Ow.
Just put him in.
Just put him in?
Yeah, just put him in.
All right, buddy. He spined me too. I tried to catch him, I'm sorry.
Oh.
He spined both of us. Little dickhead. I'm sorry we caught you. Oh yeah, there's a storm drain right here. Not bad. 2 fish already in the urban setting. I'm gonna walk this thing. Oh, that looks so good. If a fish hits this, this is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna walk it up this whole bank and see if there's a fish here willing to hit it. This is gonna be insane if we get an eat right here. I'm gonna put it right along that wall if I can. There was a bass that just came up out of the water that was so big. That was probably the biggest bass I've ever seen. And I cannot exaggerate that. Oh yeah, that was a good cast. I was almost right on the top of the wall. I'm gonna angle myself a little better so I bring it close to the wall as I can. Oh my God, I just had a bass come up and hit it. Oh my God, I don't know if the GoPro got that. Dude, I just had a bass hit this thing. It hit it on the bottom. Oh my God, he was literally right here. It's where I thought a bass would be. I hope the GoPro got that. That was insane. If I catch a bass on this lure, I'm gonna cry. Come over here. There's a nice wall and there's another water source coming in right here. And I saw a bass breach the topwater over here that was over 2 feet. That's where I would cast, is right in this area. He hit it right here where that water's coming in. Are you kidding me? Dude, Noah is killing it right now. That is a huge fish.
him.
He just, I would get that, I would grab him. Dude, he is huge. This is huge. This thing is, I would lip him. I would lip him. Oh my God.
Oh!
We're gonna watch now. We're trying to whip this thing. Get
Shut
it in there.
Oh, dude, he's got sharp ass teeth. Stop twitching.
What a toad, boys.
Stop twitching, damn it. Take a picture of me.
I'm going to. Hold that sucker up.
How do pros do this?
Just shove her in there, dude. What a freaking toad, dude. Atta boy. Man, they are hitting these shiners like crazy. What a toad.
That's the biggest bass I've ever caught in my entire life.
Welcome to the thumbnail. That is sick. Let's toss her in. Oh my God, he was going insane.
I'm gonna tell you
Jesus Christ.
Hey, you're gonna be pretty pissed when you figure out how
When you were
I'm-
pulling it out of the water, weren't you?
No. I cast it and I wrapped my lure around there. I walked over there and dropped it in. I ran over here and my pole was getting pulled into the water. And I grabbed it and just did this. And it set and I caught him.
Yeah, now I am pissed. That's from him? Jesus, dude. Well, Noah's 3 up on me. I'm gonna have to catch one on this freaking rat or I'm gonna be pissed. Jesus, what a toad. I wish we could have weighed that one. I'm gonna bring my scale from now on. Jesus, I didn't have it just because I didn't want to bring my tackle box. We honestly weren't sure if we could fish this. What a fish. Well, I have to match her better right now. Well, first spot. Success. But we've been fishing here for, I'd say, about 45 minutes to an hour. So we're gonna move on to the next spot and see if we can have the same kind of luck. Yeah, you know no one fishes this. Nobody fishes this. So we are at the next spot. It is actually right next to a hospital, so that's pretty cool. The water is extremely murky right now, but it was really murky at the last place too. So I'm kind of hopeful there's gonna be bass in here. Also, I see a ton of bait fish, so that's also a really good sign. I've also got my scale on me this time, so if we catch any fish, we'll be able to weigh them. The next spot is that river. There's a car coming down here. Oh, we can't fish here?
No.
All right.
Sorry.
Well, thanks for letting us know.
I'm just letting you know, man.
It's our first time in
Get your
Knoxville.
license?
I don't have it on me, but I can show you a picture.
Oh, that's even better. Yeah, you can't fish out here. I don't
Okay.
know if there's anything in this thing, to be honest with you. There might be.
Well, we did see one bass, so.
There's some, yeah, you just can't fish out here.
All right. Well,
Thank you.
thank you.
Sorry.
We'll head out then.
Catch anything?
No, nothing, not yet. We just got here like maybe 10 minutes ago. All right.
Get like someplace else. Hey, river's right across the road.
I know, that's where we're actually about to go, right underneath the bridge, so.
Probably better anyway.
Yeah. All right, see you, bud. Well, I was gonna say the title of this video was gonna be something to do with the rat lure, but now it's probably we got kicked out by police. Well, apparently we cannot fish here, unfortunately. So we're gonna head to the next spot, and then we're almost out of spots, so we might have to call an audible here in just a minute. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the next spot. Hopefully we don't get kicked out by the police this time. This is actually a river right underneath the bridge. It's a little creek, really slow moving water. It's pretty muddy, I'm not gonna lie. This looks like the perfect place to throw a rat though, so I'm hoping I'll have some luck here. Well, nothing doing, boys, so I think we're going to call the audible. Go get some food, because we haven't eaten all day. I've been up since 7:30, but we're gonna go ahead and call an audible and move on to another spot. So this place probably looks a little bit familiar. And I decided instead of throwing a rat lure, I'm going to try to catch a fish for a little bit. And now I'm throwing a spinner on my 6-foot medium pole. This is what Noah was killing it on, so hopefully we can catch ourselves a little toad. And we have the scale. Also, for all the rat lure fans out there, I am gonna try to throw that once I catch a few fish, but I'm sure you guys do wanna see me pull a few fish in today, so I decided to switch over to this. So me and Noah were just talking, trying to figure out why there's no bites going on. And as you can see, it's 87 degrees. So it's pretty hot. I'd say it's a lot hotter than it was this morning when we first came here. And I know I've only really gotten one bite on this thing, but I will say this has to be one of my favorite lures to use. All right, so we are in the hotel room. We just now made it. And now I gotta set this puppy up so I can start editing. Can you put some clothes on? I'm gonna get demonetized for this.
I didn't know you were recording.
All right, we got everything set up. I just need to start editing.
Nudity. Childhood nudity.
A week. I have a week of this.
I catch toad.
I know he is the content. But today was a good day, regardless of if I caught fish or not.
Shredded finger.
He's got a shredded finger, but he did catch 2 toads, 2 of them. So, like I said, the whole goal of this trip is to get a personal best. That's my goal anyway. He's already done it, so now I just gotta catch up to him. But guys, I think I'm gonna end the episode off here. We are going fishing tomorrow. We'll be up at 7:30, so we basically got 12 hours before we have to be up and ready to go. We're going to Steak and Shake, but I've got to start editing, so I can get to doing that. I'm gonna leave you guys with this. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button below, comment, rate, subscribe, do what you guys do. Shut up, this is the outro, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, buddy.